Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening another box for YuGiOh Crossover Breakers. So, without further ado, let's see what we get. By the time of release it should be New Year, so Happy New Year everybody. May all your wishes in 2025 come true. And now we shall see what wishes come true in this box. Or maybe won't come true. We have an Everswarm Ouroboros. As usual, starting on the right side. With a Pom Ryseal here. On to the next one. Where we get a Ryseal cross. And for the next pack, we get a Malice P chassis kit. Moving along, we have a Sose Ryuge Mistva. First ultra rare of the box. Let's see what else we get. A Malice Q white binder. And on to the next one. With a Cairo Ryuge Emva. On to the next one. With a Genro Ryuge Hakba. Let's see what else we get. A Ryseal cross. We already have that one. We already have that one. And a Ryuge Realm Dino Domains. On to the next one. With a Malice P Dormouse. On to the next one. With an Ice Ryseal. Second ultra rare of the box. And last pack for the right side. With another Malice P Thomas. And on to the next one we go. With a Malice P Thomas. Déjà vu. On to the next one. With a Malice TB 11. And the next one, we have a Malice C MTP 07. Third ultra rare of the box. On to the next one. With YuGiOh Plasma Hole. On to the next one. With a Malice Q white binder. Still a few left. And in this case a Kyoto Ryuge Kaiwa. Lovely foiling. On to the next one. With a Genro Ryuge Hakwa yet again. 4 packs left. Let's see what we have. A Ryuge Realm Wormvines. And down to the third to last pack. Let's see what the last 3 packs hold. A YuGiOh Cross. Second to last pack. With a Sword YuGiOh. For ultra rare number 5, and we're down to the last pack. Something nice and shiny. Maybe. Maybe not. A Malice P Domos. Well, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. I shall be seeing you at the next one, and once again, Happy New Year!